What is up, guys? Welcome back to another cereal review. I am the real cereal guy. Today is kind of exclusive. So my wife came back from Italy and she gave me some Italy cereal, and obviously you can tell like it's it's a little different, the language, and you know so yeah, it's a little different, but I'm not reviewing this one. This one's gonna be for next time. What I'm planning on reviewing is this one, Granola Chocolate by Chewy. So let's go ahead and get into it. Try it. Rate it. It's a very small box, where it's not that big of a box. It's only 12 ounce. So I don't want to hear family size because this ain't no 4 ounce. It's a family of one. Anyway. So I did review the strawberry one, which was pretty good, but it is very grainy. So I wouldn't put much in this one. If anything, you would put more milk than the cereal. So. It's good. It's off to the crunch. It's not. The texture's there. The texture is passable. Of course, they got games on the back. Puffed Rice Crisp. So that's pretty much what you're getting. All those puffs. They're in the cereal, but they're all separated. So, and you get these clusters that are in the cereal. So it's not, it's not too hard to chew. They're pretty soft to the crunch. That one's good. They only have 2 versions of these, chocolate and strawberry, so maybe they might come out with a peanut butter one, because I know how they have a chewy peanut butter granola bar. But would I put this above Cookie Crisp, or not Cookie Crisp, like any chocolate cereal, like Cocoa Puffs, Cocoa Pebbles, those types. Cocoa Pebbles is still going to be up top, but and it is tinted milk chocolate, so that's good. But I believe that the milk won't soak into the oats of the granola if it sits for a while, like how Cocoa Pebbles does, or Cocoa Puffs. But this one, pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. It's a good cereal. If you guys tried it, let me know down in the comments below if you liked it. I like it. 9 out of 10. So, yeah, it's good. It's a good cereal. I approve it. Go out and pick it up, try it. But yeah, if you see the strawberry out there, try it. I already did a review on that one. So, that's pretty much it. All right, guys. Well, thanks for hanging out with me on this one. Finish this up, and then who knows? I might just do another video, just for the hell of it. But until then, I'll catch you on the next one.